Hey guys, hello and welcome to Apex Detail Studio. My name is Gaurav and I'm very excited to introduce something which we've been working for the last couple of years. We've been doing paint production films for the past 5 years and we've got experience working with different types of films across the region. And now we're introducing our own line of films, which is the Apex Paint Production Films. After a lot of research and R&D about the different types of film that's available, with the experience of seeing these cars up in the factory and seeing what these cars go through after the PPF has been installed, we're now in a position to give to you what we think is the best for your car. The Apex Paint Production Film is actually made in the US and it's been engineered with a team in Japan and it's been produced to us and brought to us here in the UAE. It's been structured with a 5-year warranty and it's about 8 mil thick and it has a very high gloss and very good amount of super hydrophobic abilities as well. The film itself is a self-healing film. It's a high self-healing film, has extreme gloss, and just to test it and to make sure that we've got the right equipment, we've tested it on a few cars already. Over the past 1 year, we've been trying this film in the UAE on some of our very special customer cars and my personal cars as well. Today, I have with me my dream car, which I've been thinking of purchasing for the past couple of years. And I'm very glad to show you that I finally have the car with me. And we're going to go ahead and install the most trusted brand that I have with me now, which is Apex Detail Studio. And I'm going to be going ahead and installing the Apex PPF on this. Now keep in mind, this is going to be testing the PPF's absolute performance. It's a white car. It's going to be driven hard, so it needs to provide the best protection that's available out there. And I can't have any amount of yellowing because this has to be as per the Apex standards. So we're going to do a full pre-cut on this. We've collaborated with the software that can give us the full pre-cut on this. So again, like all our installations, this is also going to be a full pre-cut. We washed the car, we've clay barred it, we've done the polishing on the car, and now it's ready for the Apex PPF in our brand new location. Let me walk you through all the different process and steps that we do to make sure that this car gets the best protection there is using our own film. Join me on this journey. Now, on most of the cars that we do, we always do a full pre-cut because that's the best way to do it, especially on cars like these. Now, on this one, you've noticed that I've debadged the car. There's no Audi logo up in the front. That's because we're actually going to be doing a bulk on the entire hood. Most pre-cut cars, we try to do the hood in bulk because it gives us additional flexibility. Also to note that this car actually has a fender that's built into the hood. So the hood actually extends all the way till here, something similar that you would see on the Porsche Macans as well. So in order to do that, the hood will be doing in bulk, which is why we've had to remove the logo. Rest of the car is going to be all pre-cut. Now I'm particularly taking a lot of interest in this particular car because I want to make sure that everything is done as per our standards to make sure that the PPF is done exactly how it is, as we would on any other car that comes to us. It's a white car and it's going to be driven very, very hard. So I want to make sure that everything is done the right way to the Apex standards. So let's see what the guys have in mind for the next steps on this car.